Welcome back, everyone. So on today's video we'll be working on this X380 John Deere garden tractor. I gotta remove the deck. I'm gonna show you, the DIYer, how to do it correctly. So to begin with, you're gonna need a 18mm. You can use a ratchet. I'm gonna use my 1/2" drive N12 impact. You come down here to these two nuts right here, and you unscrew them. Just like that. And we got all new hardware with the new bolt. That there, you want to make sure it decks all the way down too. Then from there, you can you're gonna need a pair of needle nose pliers. Get those cotter pins out. Here's a different type of pen originally, which we do have in the new kit, but they fell off here, so just need some cotter pins. Okay, there we are. There's that one. The hardware all back on it. Do the same thing to this side. Okay, now from there, there's these two pens back here. Let's see where they are. Sometimes they'll get stuck and you gotta shake the deck. That's the same pen on this side. It's that bolt. Okay. Now, the deck's free. You do one of them, and now you just be able to slide the deck out. What I like to do is I turn the wheel like that. Okay, so it looks like we're missing some hardware. So, looks like we're gonna have to order some more parts. But that is how you remove the deck on an X series lawn tractor. Hit that subscribe button if you can for me. Give me a like. And if you're a repair shop out there also, give me your thoughts and ways of taking a deck off a lawn tractor. And Next video we'll be ripping the deck apart. I'm replacing all the spindles, the belts, the blades, greasing it, replacing the plexus chute, a whole bunch of work getting done to it. So our good friends over at Reliable Aftermarket Parts sent us a whole bunch of parts for it, so go check them out. Use code N.R.T to save yourself 15%, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.